In this video, I will show how to calculate percentage. In this video, I will show how to calculate a discount formula in Excel with example. So here we have this example. So we have here example like for anything original price is 2000 and we have the discount price 10%. And make sure here is the only just number 10 without percentage. So here we selected this general. So if you write this 10 without this percentage symbol, so formula is equal, then select original price minus discount price, divide by 100, then multi symbol, then original price, then press enter. So you will get this result, and this way you can calculate discount price. So after discount price, sale price will be this amount, and if you have this percentage a symbol with your discount price, I mean if you selected from here percentage, so formula is equal, select original price, then minus with discount price, now multiplication symbol, then original price, then click on enter. So you will get this result. So this two way you can calculate discount price using the Excel formula. Thanks for watching.